Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mack. In this video, we're talking our Black Hatchet Belt. This belt is 100% made in the USA. It's one of the nicest belts we build here at Macks Belts. Now let's take a closer look. All right guys, check it out. So this is our Black Hatchet Belt from Macks Belts. So this is the same leather that we build our operator belt from. This is American leather, American thread, American steel. We do 2 passes with our sewing machines. This gives the belt added rigidness, a little more structure, and it just looks really, really great. So I'm going to show you guys some of the vintage machines we use to build all of our hardware. Check it out. This is the youngest machine in the crew. This is a 1984 automatic screw machine. This is what we build our front rail with. Check it out. At Macks Belts, the side rails for our buckles are blanked out on this 1950s Brown & Sharp automatic screw machine. Check it out. So this 1962 automatic screw machine was at one point getting sent to the scrapyard. At Macks Belts, we put it back to work, this time building screw posts for the toughest belt in the world. Check it out. So after our screws come off the Davenport, the secondary op is to slot them. We do this with a Brown & Sharp horizontal mill. This machine was made in the USA. It's really old, you can't even find one pretty much. And then after we do that, we take the burr off. It's ready to go on a belt. All right, welcome back guys. So yeah, you got to see the old Brown & Sharp horizontal mill that slots all of our screws. You got to see the old Davenport that drops all of our posts. You got to see the Brown & Sharp that blanks out all of our rails. You got to see the Davenport that builds our front rails. And this is just so cool because it's made in the USA with old vintage American-made machines, right? So our hardware is second to none. This is all 3/16 stainless steel. We treat our steel after we machine it to give it a really cool patina color. And the cool thing about Macks Belts is that if you fluctuate with weight, there's a ton of adjustment holes here, spaced 1 inch apart. And so this is just going to be a really great belt that'll go pretty much with anything, your suit, your blue jeans, and be able to really support any of your carry needs. So if you guys want to learn more, you know where to go. Thanks for watching. If you guys want to support a 100% American-made company that puts veterans and vintage machines back to work, a company that believes made in the USA is not a choice but a requirement, at Macks Belts we put this flag first in every step of production. So if you guys want to gear up with a 100% American-made belt, then head to macksbelts.com. I look forward to earning your business. Thanks for watching.